Payday. Here you go, Tina.
Hey, Brenda, can I ask you a question?
Sure. What is it, Tina?
I got my paycheck.
Oh, okay. Congratulations. Don't spend it all in one place.
But something's wrong. I didn't miss any days, and I worked all my hours, but it should be more than this.
Let me see. Nope, it's right.
But I was expecting way more than this. I already planned my spa day and everything.
Is this your first paycheck?
Well, yeah.
Okay, let's break this down really quick. You remember when you came to my office and we did all your onboarding paperwork?
Oh yeah, I had to call my mom to ask her about my social. I remember.
Okay, good. So one of the papers that you filled out was your W-4. It tells us how much to take out for your federal withholding.
Okay, well, I want to opt out of that. I don't want it.
You can't. It doesn't work like that.
But why not? It's my money.
As an American citizen, you have to pay FICA, which is Social Security and Medicare. You have to pay federal taxes and you have to pay state taxes. If you decide to opt out, you have to do it for a good reason. But even if you opt out, then you likely still will have to pay these taxes at the end of the year.
That's right, Brenda. Those taxes are how we pay for the roads, the schools, and the military, and even the food services that we have in this country.
So let me get this straight. I work, just me, and these people get part of my money for free? But they didn't help me read that trial balance.
Unfortunately, Tina, that's just how it is. FICA is a set amount, but we take our state and our federal withholding based on what you put out in your onboarding paperwork.
But I don't know anyone on Social Security and Medicare. Do I still have to pay for those?
That's not how it works. Social Security is a big pot of money that the government has to help pay for our parents and our grandparents' retirement. And then when we get older, our kids and our grandkids would pay into that pot for our retirement.
But that doesn't make sense. How can I fix this?
Look, Tina, unfortunately, I'm not allowed to give you advice. Do you have an accountant?
I work with a whole team of accountants, remember?
Yes, that's true, but do you trust them to give you advice? Your personal accountant should give advice based on your individual situation. You should never take general advice.
What's wrong, sweetness?
Chuck, calling someone sweetness can be viewed as harassment.
But not if they like it.
My paycheck is less than I expected it to be.
Oh yes, it's very hard to survive on what they pay here alone.
If that's my cue. Tina, come and find me if you have some more questions. Chuck, try to stay out of trouble.
Always, Brenda. I perform work outside of here to help meet my ends.
Oh really? What's the job? Are you hiring?
Well, it can be very back-breaking work, but it's also exciting and rewarding. How old are you again, princess?
Chuck, get back to work.
I have to go, but remember, I got your sweetness.
I don't understand.
What's with the long face, Tina Bina?
My paycheck is so small. They took half of it in taxes. Brenda said I have to pay a FICAS and the feds and the state.
It's actually pronounced FICA, but yep, facts of life, my dear. Do you understand it all?
Not really. She said I could fix my W-7 or something like that. And also Chuck offered me a job so I can make more money.
Well, whatever you do, never go out with Chuck after work. He's a completely different person.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, you can adjust the amount of your withholdings. All you gotta do is go back and adjust your worksheet and then adjust the number of dependents and deductions. And then you just, come on girl, we'll go look at it together. Let's go.
Thanks Kim. Does that mean we're office besties now?
Don't push it, Tina.